Okay, here we have it. There's a sticker on the top here, covered over, saying Triangle Labs. This is the version 2.1 extruder off Amazon. It didn't say it was going to come with a bracket. However, here we are. It is plastic, however, but nonetheless, it is included. What else do we have inside of here? I see the actual extruder housing. I'm assuming I need to assemble this and put all these different pieces inside. What do we have inside here? We have some Allen keys, a little gift set as it said on the listing. Screws, spring, and the screw for, I guess it's all the tensioner parts. The pinion. And that would be the part that holds the Bowden tube and the clips, or they call it a collet. And last but not least, we have a piece of PTFE tubing in here, and my fingers don't want to work. But here we have it. There is no paperwork or instructions in the box, but I kind of knew that ahead of time going into this. I've already read the instructions off the internet. But this thing is pretty, it's not very heavy. Very, very solid. It's nice to finally hold one in my hand. I've been using the upgraded all-metal extruder from Creality, the red one, and it's worked okay, but I'm starting to get some clicking and stuff, partially due to my bed being warped, so it's high on the edges and kind of low in the center. So my extruder does not like that, and it clicks a little here and there. Proper fix would be to get another bed, but I'm hoping this takes care of things. Plus, I've wanted to give a shot at direct drive and some flexible filament, and I'm reading online that that is a possibility with this. So let's see. I don't see any screws in there as of yet. Yep, here it comes. As we take this apart, watch me be doing it upside down. And it does appear that I did. But regardless, here's what we have. So, if I take those parts there, it's a little bit hard to do one-handed. But here we go. Get that part back in there. And this looks like it goes right about here. There we have it. Then we would have this. And the rest goes up on top.